The Baffle Boss hood filter lifting tool is a great piece of equipment to have in your kitchen. It makes getting the hood filters out of the hood much easier. Now what you'll notice when you get this out of the box, it does come in two pieces. You've got the head and then the handle is separate. One thing you'll want to make sure to do is to follow the instructions that are included. The first thing you're going to need to do is install the prongs correctly. And to do that, you simply just turn around, remove the wing nuts, which I've already done, take the prong out, and then just turn it around and install it on the back side, which is the flat side. Now, as you can see, I've went ahead and installed the wing nuts on the back side of the head. And as you can see, the two prongs are installed correctly in the upright position on the flat side of the head. It's important that they are on this side facing up. Now all we need to do is install the handle to the head. And to do that, you simply remove this cotter pin and spring, pull the main pin out, and then you simply just slide the head on to the pole and then reinstall the pin. Now that the handle is installed, you can simply pull this out, adjust the head to the angle that you need, release so it locks into place, and the Baffle Boss is ready to use.